So let's update PowerShell. First, right click here on start and go to terminal admin, click on yes. So first, let's check the PowerShell version that you have. So to do that, put your $sign and type your PS version table and hit enter, and it should show you the PS version. You can see that we have 5.1. So to check if there is any kind of stable version released, we need to search like winget search, and you need to type exactly, this is case sensitive, so microsoft dot capital PowerShell, just like this. I will leave the command down below for easiness and hit an enter, and you can see that we have two options here. This is 7.4 and this is 7.5. This is on preview version. I will not recommend you guys to use the preview version. You will need to use this stable. So this one is stable. So guys, now we will install this. Now to install this, you will need to type your winget install --id and just copy this, Control C and right click to paste it, and space --source is winget, and hit an enter. Now this will update the PowerShell, so do not close the computer, anything, just leave it. This should take some time. So we have installed this successfully. Now let's check it out, the PS version once again. So it's still showing the 5.1, so you will need to restart your computer for once and just use this same command, PS version table. And after restarting, you can see we have a PowerShell 7 right here. This is the PowerShell we have just updated, and that's how you get PowerShell updated in 7.4.5. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.